So the time has come. We are good to go. The Fold 8 and the Fold 8 Ultra have arrived. So let's get them unboxed and get a look at them. So first off, we will start with this. Now, I did go for the exact same color on both of these phones. So yeah, let's check these out. So we'll start with the Fold 8. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So I've seen a lot of white ones and a lot of the purple ones, but I've decided I would go for the black. That looks super, super sleek. Listen to this. Oh yeah. That is super cool. I think that is the best color, you know. Like I've seen a lot of people with their review units and they've all been sort of purple and white. I haven't seen many of the black or the graphite. Beautiful. And of course then in the box we have our usual stuff that never gets looked at. Just set that to the side. Right, and we'll go for the Fold 8 Ultra. Same again, and the same color as well. I like things to match. I'm a bit OCD that way. Beautiful. Samsung Galaxy. So what are we feeling? What are we feeling with these? Are we feeling the Fold 8? Are we feeling the Fold 8 Ultra? Let me know in the comments down below. But we'll just get these set up. So we just set these here and just like that, bit of YouTube magic and we are done. So I have apps downloading into these. Looking forward to getting stuck in. So here is the Fold 8 Ultra and the Fold 8. So what do you guys think? Which is your favorite form factor so far? Did you pick up any of these phones? Which one did you pick up? Let me know in the comments down below. So these devices are crazy thin. I mean, look how thin these are. While they do feel premium, they feel really fragile. So I'm going to want to put a case on these. And that's where the sponsor of today's video comes in, Benks. As you know, we did feature these cases in the first look video, which you guys have responded to really, really well. So Benks reached out and said, listen, Michael, we'd love to sponsor this video, first look at the Fold 8 and Fold 8 Ultra. And I said, that'd be great. We are going to pop these cases on. So this is the Armor Grand combo. So these are the Armor Grid Kevlar cases from Benks. And these come in a kit where you do get the back and front part of your case. You also get a screen protector for the front display, which is really, really important. So yeah, let's get these on the phone. Now this isn't going to be a full review of these cases. This is going to come later, so stay tuned. If you do want to see that video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell for notifications, and you can check out the full review when it goes live. However, we are just going to put these cases onto the Fold 8 and the Fold 8 Ultra. There we go, and there you have it. There is the Benks Armor Grid. So I do have the black Armor Grid here, and then I have the blue on the Fold 8 Ultra. Really, really good. I will have more colors in these cases coming from Benks, so when the full review gets ready to drop, you will be able to see all the colorways for these cases, so stay tuned for that coming. But yeah, that is your case. So yeah, you are going to get full bumper protection all the way around and your hinge cover. Plus, it means then as well that you know that your phone is going to have protection, but it's still going to keep that thin profile, which is really awesome. And there you go. Very, very nice. Big fan. Big fan. If you do want to pick up any of these cases, I will leave you an affiliate link in the description down below. Affiliate links help support the channel, but they don't cost you guys any more money. So if you do pick up using any of my affiliate links, thanks for your support. It's much appreciated. It helps me to make more content just like this. So thanks very much. So I'm going to go finish getting these phones set up, and then I will get started putting these phones through their paces. I also will be dropping more Fold 8 case content coming, so stay tuned for that. I have a lot of brands reaching out, and I have a lot of cases ordered and on the way as well, so stay tuned. If there is anything you want to see for the Fold 8, whether it's cases, whether it's tests, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what you want to see and we'll make it happen. So yeah, that about wraps it up for this video. Hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me. Don't forget to click that subscribe and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. I'm gonna go, but if you want to catch some more Michael's Tech Talk content, YouTube thinks you should watch this video right here.